Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in Clickup step by step. Clickup is a powerful project management platform that helps teams organize tasks, manage workflows, and collaborate more efficiently. Whether you're managing a small team or a large project, learning how to assign tasks properly is essential for keeping everyone organized and productive. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, enter the email address connected to your Clickup account along with your password. Make sure your login details are correct before continuing. If you ever forget your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to recover your account. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Clickup workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces or teams, make sure you select the correct workspace before moving forward. Now, locate the task you want to assign. Tasks are the main building blocks inside Clickup and help organize tasks, responsibilities, deadlines, and workflows. Depending on your setup, you may find tasks inside a list view, board view, or another workspace layout. Once you find the task you want to work with, click on it to open the Task Details window. Inside the task view, you'll see important information related to the task, including descriptions, comments, due dates, priorities, attachments, and team activity. To assign the task, look for the Assignees section. This is usually located near the top right corner of the task or directly under the task title. Click on the Assignees field and a drop-down menu will appear showing all available members in your Clickup workspace. From here, simply select the person you want to assign the task to. If the task requires teamwork, you can also assign multiple people to the same task. Once selected, Clickup automatically updates the task and sends a notification to the assigned team member so they know they are responsible for the work. Although Clickup handles notifications automatically, it's still a good idea to communicate directly with your team about deadlines, expectations, and important instructions. Clear communication helps prevent confusion and improves collaboration. Before we finish, here are a few quick tips for better task management inside Clickup. First, keep your task names and descriptions clear and easy to understand. A detailed task description helps team members know exactly what needs to be completed. Second, always add due dates whenever possible. Deadlines help your team stay on track and prioritize work effectively. You can also use checklists, attachments, and comments to break larger tasks into smaller action steps. This makes projects easier to manage and improves workflow visibility. Another helpful feature is task priorities. Setting tasks as urgent, high, normal, or low priority can help your team focus on the most important work first. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to assign tasks in Clickup and organize responsibilities more effectively within your workspace. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who use Clickup for productivity and project management. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials and workflow tips. See you in the next video.